Alright, y'all. Today, we're going to be playing some Jump Force. We're going to hop on we're jumping on the hype train. You see what I did there, Jump? Anyways, since we have this loading screen that's going to be taking a few more seconds, we're just going to get this intro out of the way real quick. We picked random on the character select. We didn't get to see that part.
Random characters.
Yeah, I think I got trash. I didn't see all I got. But I got my creative character, though. That's all that matters.
We all know fighting games are not my forte. Never mind the fact that I beat you 6 times in a row on the other one, but we won't talk about that.
You can't beat me in any fighting game. That's his only solace when it comes to fighting games with me.
You're about to take this out right now.
Heck no.
Hold on. Don't attack. I'm gonna learn the buttons real quick.
Okay.
I don't know how to play it.
That's snow.
Is that snow or rain? Oh no. Okay, so you have Sabo, and your character, and that girl, whoever she is.
Yeah, another. I got all One Piece characters.
Wait.
Oh! Oh. How do I block? Power up. That's the block.
What's block?
R1.
Watch out. Watch out. I didn't mean to. I didn't know. I just pressed L2.
L2?
What's block?
R1.
Okay. L1. Watch out.
L1's that dash attack you just did.
L1's a dash. What's circle do?
It's grab.
Okay. Alright. On you, boy. Ready?
Body! Get body! Hello?
Who are you talking to? What are you doing? What do you mean?
Oh, I switched. Okay.
How'd you switch?
I just pressed L2. Wow! Look at this guy. Clutch now.
How'd you do it? L2?
What did I do? What did I do? Awakened. Oh, dub! Get dub.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing really. Oh, the mix-up.
How do I switch? What did you say it was?
L2, I think. Attack! Huh? I don't have any energy.
Take this ass whooping! Take this ass whooping!
Boy, garbage. Right,
now ready for me.
I don't want to use this scrub chick.
Oh, blame it on the chick.
I got no special attacks.
I didn't even switch my characters yet. I don't know what that is.
This guy. Careful or else your thumb's gonna fall off.
Thought, not today. Sit, boy. How do you do special moves?
That was a grab.
Oh.
Just press circle. What did I do? Huh?
I blocked it. Body!
That's some boyery.
Get bodied!
What did I...
Oh man, I'm trying to grab it.
That's the most godlike flicks this world's ever seen. Sasuke?
Block. Block.
Oh, the combos! What happened?
Yeet! Finish, boy! That's a dub! Player 1 win, that's me! You were talking all that stuff! Oh my god!
We're gonna get that changed character and run that back.
You were talking all that stuff.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call beginner's luck.
Alright, best 2 out of 3, Goose. Best 2 out of 3.
Right, how about
Randoms.
Goku this time.
Randoms again. Yeah?
Better if I don't get Goku or something.
That's your butt. We've clearly just witnessed that. You didn't take, like, you literally did nothing. You did nothing at all.
I got that track. Wow.
I got 2 of the same characters for my... Oh, you got that girl again.
Garbage. I got Garbo.
How long did it take you to come up with that?
Like 2 seconds. That was off the top of my head.
Oh, brother. You've been waiting. You've been saving that one, huh? You've been saving that one for today.
I just came up with that.
Yeah, whatever. You've been saving that. Dang, boy. You just got destroyed.
I didn't even get destroyed. You didn't even have that much health.
What are you talking about?
You got lucky. I came all the way back.
Because I beat you twice in a row. Shut up.
But that's one game. It's not twice in a row. It's one game. That's one game.
Twice in a row. 2 rounds.
Maybe once.
2 straight rounds you got destroyed.
Maybe once.
Capital D-E. Destroyed.
Maybe once.
Who's this man? Peek. You're one of those people that watches my fingers when I play, huh?
How can I watch the screen and your fingers at the same time? Body. Body. Ooh. Ooh.
Sit, bro.
Come on, body, dude. Ooh, easy work. There we go. I think I'm getting to the groove with all of it.
What are you talking about?
Body.
What? I'm holding the button, the block.
Hello? What did I do?
What is that?
Wait a second.
Wow. How?
Huh?
What was that?
Dub. 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 Dub.
Barely. You barely got any life
Wait,
left.
man, that's a whole lot of life.
What are you
That's at least a
talking
quarter.
about? Whoa, what did I do?
Switched.
I didn't mean to. So you know stuff I don't know.
What do you mean?
You had this game for ages.
No.
What is that?
Wow.
The hell was that then?
That was garbage. Alright.
Yep. Do it Naruto style. That is a combo.
Oh, nothing. Huh? Shukaku? It's
Boy.
not even hitting you.
That's because I was holding block.
Oh, it's trash.
You are trash. That's
Why is he in this game? Why do you scream like that? Easy work.
What? I've been cheated out of my dub. I've been cheated.
Finish this.
I pressed Rasengan. I pressed Rasengan. Wow, I got cheated out of my dub. It's snowing, guys. It's snowing big snowflakes.
What?
I'll figure out how to do super moves.
R2.
Yeah, that's what I was doing, and I pressed the Rasengan. It must have to charge or something. Did you charge yours to press it?
I just pressed it.
Maybe people are different. Why is it snowing? I wonder if it's snowing where you guys are. Put it in the comments. Randoms?
Yeah. See if I get anyone different this time. Oh! Goku! Got my created character.
So we both did. You got Piccolo, the real G. Only black character in Dragon Ball. The whole internet knows this. The only black guy.
Except for Oob.
No, this is the only black guy. It's like the black father.
Oob.
You say boob? You're not supposed to talk about that stuff with them, Gus. Come on, these loading screens, man. I hate that. Forever. Makes me mad.
You gonna watch me take this second dub?
You had to clear your throat. You almost said L. You almost said, watch me take this L.
Heck no.
Who got Luffy? Oh, I did.
What is this, New York or something? New York City?
Something like that. Maybe it's Tokyo. No, there's an American flag. Must be New York. Fail.
I didn't want to switch. Let's get it.
Trying to figure out how to use these moves, these super moves.
Well, what? I did in the.
Oh, that's wrong. That's not block. I was pressing R2 to block. That's not block.
I hit with the spirit bomb.
Yeah, it better do more damage than that. That's it?
I got Super Saiyan now. It's a wrap. Huh? That's delicious.
Yeet!
Frame advantage.
Yeah! You got yeeted.
I was only one round, so.
Oh, boy.
Still got Super Saiyan. Let's go. Warp command, man. Let's get it. That was a dub. This is an easy dub. Huh? I'm getting my hang of this.
Oh, no, I'm putting that boy away. That boy's trash. That boy's trash. How do I switch? I'm switching. I'm trying to switch.
I think there's a timer on it.
Oh, no. This boy's butt cheeks. I don't want him.
Super Saiyan Blue. Oh, it's over.
He has no freaking special moves. Switch me out. Thank you. Got you. Not today.
Super Saiyan Bomb! No, I don't have any energy! Dog! Give me that! No! Wow! Look at how big that is!
go. Let's go. That's a dub.
I hit
You don't
around
want it.
him.
Come see me in Jump Force. After my PSN. You don't want it. That's a dub. That's best 2 out of 3. Your boy took the dub. What can I say?
I hit around him. That was the fakest thing ever.
What can I say, man? What can I say? I'm just good. I'm just good at this.
Yeah. Oh, that was pure luck.
I'm just good. What can I say? Well,
Not good.
that was wonderful. That was wonderful. Way better than the Smash video. I was way better than the Smash video.
That'll never happen again.
Yep. You know, if you want to come see me in this game that I just whooped him in, you can drop your PSN name in the comments, and I'll be there to add you. Yeah,
Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that fakeness.
I hope you get some practice for next time, Gus.
I don't need practice.
I don't want to do it to you again.
You got lucky. You had 1 sliver of health, and I hit around.
I don't want to do it to you again, Gus. I don't. I really don't. Okay. Well, you know what to do. Drop a like, comment. You know, make sure you drop W's for me in the comments, because you know your boy L for you. You took a fat L. You took a fat L.
It's so that in the camera it looks like a... Well, maybe not.
Anyways, that's all we got for you today, you know? You got anything else to say?
Have a good day. Yeah, see you guys next time.
Salutations, comrades.